Model and draw. Okay, we're working with adding big numbers, two-digit numbers. And sometimes we have to carry when we add two-digit numbers. Carry a 10. Okay, so I want everyone to go to page 238. 238. 238. 238. That might be a big jump because we had to skip a bunch of pages there, right? 238. Everyone there? If you're not there, pause it. Okay, we are going to be adding big numbers, but I don't like the way they have you adding horizontal. It's much easier to do this vertical. 15, and put the 7 underneath. The 7 is 1, so it goes under the 5. Okay, so first we want to add the ones. You always add the one side first. 7 and 5. So you had 7 here and 5 over here. Now, when we add 7 and 5, it actually adds up to 12, but that's too many. We can only put numbers up to 9. So what do? We take 10 of them and make another 10. This is a new 10. See how we made a 10 here, 5 and 5? So we're going to take this new 10 and put it with the other 10. There's 1, 10, and 15, and we just made a new 10. And how many are left over? 2. So we say 7 and 5 is 12. Put down the 2 and carry the 1. Carry the 110 over there. Now we can do the 10s. We have 1 10 and one other 10. 1 and 1 is 2. Sometimes they call that regrouping. Sometimes we call that carrying. Okay, let's work on this one. 26 plus 5. I'm going to write it vertical. 26, and the 5 goes under the 6 because it's ones. 26, 2 10s, and 6 ones. 5, 6. 5 is just 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to add my ones. 6 and 5 is 10, 11. But we can make another 10. So we're going to circle this 10 here. Now we have a new 10. So I put it up there in the tens column. I carry the 1. What's left over? 1. 6 and 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 11. Put down the 1, carry the 1. 2 and 1 is 3. 31. 37 más 8. 37 más 8. 37 is 3 10s and 7 ones. 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is just 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when we add the ones, we get too many, but we can make another 10. Can we make a 10? So I'm going to put that 10 in the tens column, the new 10. I carry the 1. What's left over? 5. Because 8 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, we put down the 5 and we carry the 1. We carry the 110. Now we have 3 and 1 is 4 10s. 45. See how we did that? That's called carrying. 28 plus 6. Okay, we're going to do one more time doing pictures. 28 is 2 10s and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 and 6. Well, I can make another 10. So there's 4 left over, and I carry this new 10 with the 10s. 1, 2, 3. 2 and 1 is 3. 34. 8 and 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Put down the 4. Carry the 1. 2 and 1 is 3. When you carry the 1, it's the new 10 that you made. Got it? Okay. We're going to try doing it without the pictures this time. Are you ready? 23 plus 9. So I'm going to write it over here where there's some room. I'm going to put the 23 on top and the 9 on the bottom under the 3 because they're ones. Add 9 and 3. 10, 11, 12. 12, but we can't put a 12. We just put the 2. And the 1 we carry up here because it's a 10. The 1 is a new 10. Now, 2 and 1 is 3. 32. Let's try another one. I'm going to write it over here. I don't know if you can see it. 48 plus 5. Hey, look, it's Rudolph. Well, maybe Rudolph. Tens or ones? The ones. 8 and 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Put down the 3 and carry the 1 because that's a new 10. 4 and 1 is 5. 53. We made a new 10 because 13 was too big. And we took the 10 and put it with the tens column. 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5. 8 and 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We just did that over here, didn't we? Yep. Put down the 3 and carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2. 23. We only carry a 1 if it's bigger than 9. If it's 10 or 11 or 12 or 13, then we have to carry the 1. 33 plus 9. Let's write that one. 33 plus 9. We do the ones first. 9 and 3. 9, 10. Wait, 9 and 3. 10, 11, 12. Put down the 2 and carry the 1. Escribe el 2 y carga el 1. 3 y una decena más son 4 decenas. 42. Try this one by yourself. Go ahead. Try doing that by yourself. You can pause the video if you want. Should take too long. Okay, I'm going to check. Here I go. Did you write it vertical? Write it vertical. It's easier. 27 plus 6. Begin on the ones. 7 plus 6. Well, what's 6 and 6? 12. So 7 and 6 is one bigger. 13. Or you can use your fingers. 7 and 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Put down the 3, but carry the 1, 10. Put the 1 in the tens column. 2 and 1 is 3. 33. Try that one on your own. 49 plus 4. Okay, here we go. 49, I'm going to write it vertical. 49 plus 4. We start on the ones. 9 and 4. Well, 10 and 4 is 14. So 9 and 4 is 1 less. 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Put down the 3 and carry the 1. You carry it up here. It's a new 10. 4 and 1 is 5. 53. Did you get that one? If you got that one, you already know how to add two-digit numbers. Okay, word problem. Alex sets up 32 small tables and 9 large tables in a room. Then he sets up 5 more large tables along a wall. How many tables does Alex set up? Alex is doing a lot of work, aren't you, Alex? Alex pone en una sala 32 mesas pequeñas y 9 mesas grandes. Luego pone otras 9 mesas grandes al lado de la pared. ¿Cuántas mesas pone Alex? ¿Qué tenemos que hacer? Sumar. Pero otra vez es diferente. En español tiene 32, 9 y 9. Pero en inglés tiene 32, 9 y 5. Ah, vamos a sumar a 32 arriba, el 9 debajo del 2 y el 5 debajo del 9. Like this, right? Now, hold on. The Spanish is different. You've got 32, 9, and another 9. They made another mistake in the Spanish book. They made it harder, right? Okay. 9 and 2. 10, 11. And 5 more. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Put down the 6 and carry the 1. We don't put the 1 there. We carry it up here. You don't get a drink with ice cream. 3 and 1. 3 and 1 now is 4. 46. Now, Spanish is different. Let's look at the Spanish. Hey, we know 9 and 9. What's 9 and 9? 18. 9 más 9 son 18. Y 2 más. Yeah. Go. I'm busy. I'm filming. You can't bother me now. Go eat your ice cream. 9 más 9 son 18 y 2 más. 19, 20. 20. 20. Vamos a poner el 0, pero esta vez cargamos 2, porque hay 2 decenas en 20. Carga el 2 arriba, no el 1. 3 más 2 son 5, 50 mesas. Alex, you had to work more on the Spanish page than on the English page. It was harder. Okay, last one. Bruce ve 29 robles y 4 arces en el parque. Luego ve el doble de pinos que de arces. ¿Cuántos árboles ve Bruce? Oh, that's even harder. Listen in English. This time it's the same. Bruce sees 29 oak trees and 4 maple trees at the park. Then he sees double the number of pine trees as maple trees. How many trees does Bruce see? Well, we got to add. First, we add the oak, 29. Then the maple, 4. But now we got to do pine trees. Okay? Decimos los robles y los arces. Ahora tenemos que hacer los pinos. ¿Y qué dice? He sees double the number of pine trees as maple trees. So if maple's 4, he sees double 4. Double 4 means 4 and 4. What's 4 and 4? 8. He sees 8 pine trees. Now we're ready to add. 29 and 4, double the number of pine trees as maple means 2 4s. 8. He sees 8 pine trees. That's double 4. Okay, here we go. 9 and 4. 10, 11, 12, 13. And 8. Ay, ay, ay. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. 21. What do I put down? The 1. But what about the 2 from 21? We carry that because it's 2 10s. It's 2 10s. 2 and 2 is 4. 41. That was a hard one, wasn't it? Okay, boys and girls, we're going to be doing a lot more of adding with carrying. I use the word carry, but they use the word regroup. Okay? But we're just carrying. We're making another 10. And that's just called, we carry that 10 to the tens column. Okay, you got it. After we do a bunch of them, you'll get pretty good at it. Don't worry. It's not that hard carrying. What's harder is when we do subtract and we have to borrow. Okay, that's it for now. We shall see you in class on Monday, I think, because this is Friday night's homework. Okay, adios, amigos. Bye bye.
Hi.
Bye. She said bye too.
Bye.